It's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the...
Hello and welcome to the unboxing and review channel, and also the Miniso channel. Now, I have shown this on my parody of the shopping channel which I have produced, but today we're going to do one for Miniso, and it's this one. It's the Miniso Humidifier USB charging. This is brand new. Literally, I just bought this about 20 minutes ago. But let's have a look in the box. Basically, all you're going to do is add in some water, and that's it. So, in the box, you have the humidifier itself. Looks something like that. Something like that. Okay, pretty simple. And you have an extra stick. I think that's an extra one. A USB thingy majobby, and we're going to untie that so you can see this is brand new, and we're going to see what happens. This is just to clear up the air a little bit, and maybe help. So I'm going to plug that in. I've got an empty socket there, you can't see that, and I think all we do is put that into there. I always get these the wrong way round. That's it. Well, it works. Oh, have two colours. So let's fill this with water. Not too sure how much you're supposed to fill. Doesn't really say, but I'm going to put in. Oh, you can't really see. Sorry, concentrating too much. I'm going to put in that much. Then that's going to put that in the top like that. Let's see what happens. Is anything happening? Don't know. Interesting. Okay. So let's unplug the USB here. I think you can open it like that. Yes, you can. It does have a stick inside here, but I think you got to get the stick wet first. So give me 30 seconds. I'm going to put this in some water. Yo, yo, yo. Okay, I'm back. A man to my word. All right, just going to put that on the top again. That clicks in there. And dry my hand, and then we're going to put this in again, and then let's see what happens this time. Ah, there we go. Can you see the steam coming out? And that's going to purify the air. Pretty good. There we go. How much it cost? Just over, you could say $10, $11. It was on a special sale. And I think if you press it again, it will become intermittent. I mean, in other words, it will stop and it will start. And they say it will last for, well, it will last for about 8 hours. Pretty good, huh? Miniso, the air humidifier. I like that. All right. See you for the next one.